Hello, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri, and today I'm going to show you how you can bring external services data into Flow Builder without writing any code, just by making HTTP callout. This feature is coming along with Spring 23 release, and this feature is currently in beta mode. So for today's demo, I'm going to use an API where if you give the name, the API is going to predict what is your age and how many more people is there in the world with the same name. If I put Sam and call the API again, it's going to tell me that probably the Sam's age is for 54 and there are this many people in the world with the name of Sam. Now I want to bring this external data into Salesforce using Flow Builder. So the first thing that I need to do, I need to create a permission set. I will come here in the setup and search for permission set, and here I am going to create a permission set. I'll give the name as age prediction permission set, save, and I'm going to assign this permission set to myself. Add assignment. I select my name. Next, I'm going to choose no expiry date and assign. With that, I'll go to the setup again and I'll search for credential. The first thing that I need to do, I need to create an external credential. I'll click on new. In the authentication protocol, I'll choose custom, but you have an option of choose OAuth or AWS, but I'll choose custom here and click on save. Here, once you click on save on the permission set mapping, I'm going to add the permission which I just created, which is age prediction permission set, and click on save. Once this is done, I need to create a name credential. I'll go back to this name credential again, and this time I'm going to create new against the name credential. So give a name age prediction name credential. Give the name again. Here in the URL, I'm going to copy this portion of the URL slash external credential. I'm going to choose age prediction external credential, and I'll choose I don't need to generate authentication header, and then click on save. With all this ready, I'll go to the flow now and start creating my new flow. It will be a screen flow. First, I am going to create a screen where I'm going to ask the name, and it will be text name, save. Now I'm going to call the action and click on this create HTTP callout. I'll give this age prediction. I need to age prediction, and in the name credential I'll choose age prediction name credential. Click on next. Let's give a name age prediction. It's going to be a get method. All looks good. Here I need to pass this key value parameter, which is name followed by the name for which I want to do this prediction. So here name, and it will be a string type, and it's going to be a required value. In the response, I need to save a sample response. So when I ran this against my postman, this is the response I got. I can just copy this one and click on new here and paste the response here and click on done. And then my thing is done. Let's call age prediction external service, and here in the name I am going to pass the name which I get from the previous screen and click on done. In the next screen I want to display the result, so here display result, and here I'm going to display the text what I'm going to display details. First name, which I am getting from this output. This is name, followed by age, which I'm again getting from the response age, and then number of people, which I again get from this output, which is count, and click on done. Now let's save this. Age prediction flow and save and debug. Run. First it's asking for a name. Let me give a name as Sachin and click on next. It's actually called the API. If you see on the debug screen, it's called the API. Here is a call that is happening. The response I'm getting is that there are this many people with the name of Sachin with the age of 15. Let's run it again. This time let's put a new name like Tom. Next. It called the same API again and now telling like the probable age of Tom is 65 and there are this many people in the world with the name of Tom. So it's a very cool feature. This feature is telling you how you can bring your external data into Salesforce without writing any code, just by doing a HTTP callout from your flow screen. I hope this video is helpful. Please hit the like icon and please subscribe to my channel to get update about all my upcoming videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.